Drilling holes in your Dodge Ram to mount antennas or other equipment gives you a bit of a heart attack. Lowering your resale value, voiding your lease agreement, or simply putting holes in your paid-for Ram is never ideal. But when you need to install equipment, you have no other option, right? Think again. Our line of no-drill mounting plates takes the stress and effort out of mount installation so you can get your equipment up and running in no time without damaging your vehicle. Our Dodge Ram 2500 magnetic mounting plates come in 4 models: half-inch hole, 3/4-inch hole, single hole, and 4-hole. The half-inch hole model is compatible with high-frequency antennas, and the 3/4-inch hole is compatible with standard NMO Motorola antenna mounts. The 4-hole model allows you to install up to 4 different antennas on the same mount. These Ram mounts work with both standard and classic models. These mounts feature aluminum brackets and steel top plates, a must for aluminum body and steel body vehicles. Our mounts are in stock and ready to ship. Check out our selection at larsonelectronics.com. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.